Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to disable the annoying ads and promotions you might be seeing in your email account. So when you're in your Gmail account, you probably see that Gmail has divided your emails into different folders: primary, promotions, social, and updates. When you go into your promotions folder, you're probably seeing ads at the top and sometimes even ads in between your emails. Got one there. And the same in your social account. Definitely ads at the top and sometimes in between your emails. This can be really annoying. If you want to disable them, all you have to do is head to the settings, click See All Settings. From there, go to Inbox. Then you'll see the category section and you'll probably got ticks next to promotions, social, and updates. So what you can do is you can just turn these folders off by unticking them and then scroll to the bottom and save changes. So when I go back to my Gmail account, I've just got like one folder now with no ads at the top or within the content. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.